Omron 3G3RX VFD fault codes, E21 to E30, easy explanation. Part 3. Voiceover. E21 output phase loss. Check motor wiring and output terminals. E22 input phase loss. Check the incoming 3-phase power supply. E23 excessive torque. Reduce the mechanical load and check torque settings. E24 stall prevention error. Check motor load and adjust stall prevention parameters. E25 PID feedback error. Inspect the PID sensor, feedback signal, and wiring. E26 analog input error. Check the analog input wiring and input signal. E27 digital input error. Inspect digital input wiring and input status. E28 frequency command error. Verify the frequency reference source and parameter settings. E29 speed deviation error closed loop operation. Check encoder feedback and motor control settings. E30 hardware protection error. Power cycle the drive. If the fault remains, inspect or repair the drive. Follow Electrical K2L for more PLC, VFD, servo and industrial automation.